The first recorded airplane hijacking occurred on February 21, 1931, in Peru. A Peruvian revolutionist named Byron Rickards was piloting a Ford Trimotor on a routine commercial flight when his plane was seized by armed rebels. The hijackers wanted to use the aircraft to drop propaganda leaflets over the capital city, Lima, during a political uprising. Rickards managed to negotiate with the hijackers, delaying the flight long enough for government troops to arrive and force the rebels to surrender. This incident marked the beginning of a phenomenon that would become more common in later decades.